Ladies and gentlemen, that is a perfect fit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Organized Soprano. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Kay. I'm a professional home organizer and home enthusiast here in the Boston area. I'm a singer too, by the name, you probably guessed that, but I am here to inspire you to live a more organized life. And today we're gonna do a little like retro, old style, throwback video. We're just gonna do vlog style organizing my bathroom cabinet because we're gonna give her a little glow up today. And before we do anything else, smash like for a clean Clover dog. He had a bath. You can see he's still a little bit wet, but he got clean. He's clean. Thumbs up for clean dogs. And I'm sorry, you're gonna hear this noise in the background. This is my little super cute robot, Snow. She's mopping. It was there's paw prints everywhere. So she's doing a good job. She's doing a good job. Anyway, in the very beginning of my channel, I did a bathroom cabinet redo. And then I think a year later, I redid it again with a different system. So first I had drawers, which were really cool and worked really well for a while. They worked for several years actually. And then I kind of got tired of them. And then I used the shelving with the little drawers. And this solution actually was not so popular. Some of you guys were like, oh, I don't like it. It's not as cool as the other one. And I was like, you know what, it's fine, it's gonna work for us for a while. And you know what, it did. It worked for us for a long time. But I think she's ready for an upgrade and a slight glow up because the little system that I'm using, which is fantastic, is kind of flimsy and it's plasticky, and there are some things that bother me about it. So this is the bathroom cabinet in question. We have a disaster. There's things like moved around in here. But my issue with this is, and it looks really cool, like it's really neat. It's meant to go around these pipes and stuff like that. But it is kind of a little bit flimsy. It's hard to tell, but the shelves have started to bow a little bit because we've got some heavy stuff on them. It's easier to tell sort of from the side with like these guys bending a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this today with two Elfa Drawer Units from the Container Store. I'm not 100% sure they're going to fit perfectly, but I measured and it's going to be either a super perfect fit or it's not gonna work. I got two cabinet-sized drawer units from the Container Store. I took little Bean with me on my trip yesterday. I'll put a little picture of him in the basket. It was so cute. But I'm gonna build these guys and see if they work in the bathroom cabinet. But first, I guess I'm gonna take everything out of the cabinet. Wow, she's working real hard. Working real hard! If you know me, you know that I think the first step to organizing any space is simply taking everything out and emptying the space and starting from scratch. I wanted a fresh feel for the space. I've been thinking about it for months and I was excited. I found it difficult to take it apart, so I grabbed my trusty mallet. You know that mallet helps. Anyway, I've already had a friend who's claimed this solution and she's trying it in her cabinet and she likes it. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Okay, I've taken everything out of the cabinet. There are some command hooks up there, but I may need to move those. It's a little disgusting inside the cabinet. Like, my hair is everywhere. Like, curly hair struggle is real, but like, looks like I need to clean up a little bit as well. Oh, holy focus. All right, I was having a really hard time, but as you can tell, there's like nasty stuff down here that I have to clean. Oh, here's the top to that thing. So here's the unit here. It actually is really small when it's not put together, shocker. And I've got things separated into categories, sort of. And here's like all the medicines and stuff. So we are going to reorganize this, but first we're gonna build the drawer units, yes. Get away from this. You're not allowed to touch that. All right, so I guess I'm gonna get to work on this. I'm gonna build a bigger one first and see if it fits. If it doesn't fit, I can always take it back to the store built. But we're just gonna see if it fits. Good times. And we are drinking coffee. We're drinking in our Trainer Tips coffee. I also have to say, this is the first day it's been sunny in like 5 days, and my plants are so happy and excited, especially this little polka dot plant here. She is like living her best life. Like, I've never seen her this like happy before. Actually, I just pinched the tops, but she's super happy. Clover, it's not time to play right now. Over. Here. Take it. Take it. All right, come here. Go out of the way.
Faster car, nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is a perfect fit. Take a look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I call a perfect fit. Like, look at that. Look at that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh, man, I still gotta clean in here. All right, I'm gonna leave this in here and I'm gonna clean up, but I'm gonna build a second drawer unit too.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Being a former Container Store employee, I have built my share of these drawer units, and I can say with confidence that I am pretty much an expert at it. These little backstop pins that stop the drawer from going all the way through are very important to the drawer units. You have to put them in first before putting the top of the drawer unit on, and I've found that if you're going to use your mallet to put this together, that they bounce out of the drawer unit while you bang on the tops with your mallet. So what I like to do is tape them in place so that they don't go all over the place, because once they've bounced out of the drawer unit and you've got that top on, you cannot get them back in. So little fun tip there if you're putting together a drawer unit. Whenever I talk to people about command hooks, I always warn them to be very, very, very careful. When removing the command hooks, you have to be patient, go slowly, pull down very, very carefully, and be careful not to hurt yourself, which I did, because sometimes the hook goes flying off and onto your hand, and it's very sad.
Forcing me to stay.
Since we don't have an actual medicine cabinet and we don't take medicines that much, I decided to move them into a box to shield them from all the moisture and heat that is normally present in the bathroom, and hopefully we only need it when we have a headache, which is not that often. But I find that when you're reorganizing the bathroom, the best time to do decluttering is when you're reorganizing. So I got rid of a lot of the stuff I wasn't using there. I was basically just putting stuff back that I needed, and it felt really great and fun. And I was finally able to get actual real drawer organizers, which I did a little dance for. I'm not really sure what my problem was, but I was very excited about them. I'm crazy. I'm absolutely crazy. But I really, 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 really like this drawer unit solution. I think that it's really cool. I don't have bathroom cabinet drawers, so this was very refreshing to me. And so far, we are loving it. Okay, you guys, here is the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. It's definitely taking advantage of all of the space, and I'm able to get all these drawers open, which makes me so happy. I did take the time to label these drawers. So these belong to my husband, Eve, or as we call him, Yavas. This is all of his stuff. I'm not going to show you in detail what it all is, but that's all of his stuff. He can deal with that. We've got the first aid stuff and the medicine here. We don't take medicine a lot, so it's okay that it's in this sort of container here. And I'll just show you what I did with this. I just kind of arbitrarily divided. This is like allergy, cold, cold, cold. These are supplements. These aren't like medicine. And then this is just pain relievers. We just don't have that many. It's just not something we're reaching for all the time. Praise be. But like that's where the medicine is. And this is where the first, you know what, honestly, we're reaching for the first aid a lot more because your girl is a little bit accident prone, and I think I like hurt myself at the gym today on the floor, so I might need to grab for a band-aid later. But anyway, that's where the first aid is. Here is where I put the mouthwash, and here is my drawer unit. So in this first drawer, we've got all things dental. I am the daughter of a dentist, so I got a lot of stuff. I got a lot of stuff. So I had some drawer organizers and I used them sort of mishmash in here. I got all of the flossing things you would ever need in your life. I've got, this is a charger for my Clarisonic. This is not a dental thing, but this is just an outlier. Here's the travel charger for my Sonicare. There's like denture cleaner for my retainer, some razors up in here, some extra toothpaste. I got my toothbrushes, and then I have the big charger and sanitizer for my toothbrush, retainer, and more of these like denture cleaners back there. And then in this drawer, I've got all things related to like, whoa, tying up my hair. So we've got, this was an old food storage container that I reused as a divider for the store. So I don't know how long I'm going to keep this looking quite so neat. We're going to experiment and see. But these are like all of my like headbands, and these are like thinner headbands and like my little donut for buns. And this guy's a wig cap. I don't use it very much, mostly when I'm in an opera, but it's in there anyway. And then back there I've got some like more night caps and things like that, and my hair dryer and its subsequent tools. Not subsequent, that's not the word I'm looking for. Anyway, it's accompanying tools. And then down here, this is like my everyday stuff that I'm reaching for. This is my like everyday bin that has all of my like stuff that I use every day in it. If you're curious, it's just like micellar water, face oil, stuff for psoriasis, moisturizer, deodorant, ring cleaner, face moisturizer. This is the one I'm using at the moment, Neutrogena. And then like lash stuff and serum, all everyday face and body care. We've got some extra lotion down here. This is the cup I used to wash my retainer. And then extra hair products and some special body lotions and stuff back here. These are like spillover from stuff that didn't fit there. So I think this turned out really well, and I'm very excited. I still have some stuff, some room to put something else here. So maybe I'll see if I can add some sort of something there just to fill in the space. I don't know. Or I can just leave it there and have it looking fabulous like it is. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I like it. All right, so that's the transformation for the day. Let me know what you think of my new bathroom cabinet glow up. I love her. I think she's fabulous, and she's matured up now. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you don't, give it a big thumbs down. If you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I publish 3 times a week, and you get to see very cute dogs and fun parts of Boston and singing stuff. All right, you guys, I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.